Tagine is a North African stew traditionally cooked in a thick stoneware dish. The special stoneware is designed to create very high temperatures and help to retain moisture in the dish.
Hello, today I'll be making a lamb mince tagine. Here are the ingredients.
First, prepare the ingredients. Peel and chop the onion. Cut the apricots in quarters. Roughly chop the coriander. Next, heat a large non-stick frying pan and add the lamb mince, onion and spices, turmeric, ginger, coriander and paprika. Dry fry the mixture for 3 to 4 minutes. The mixing spoon can be used to break up any lumps. Stir in the chopped tomatoes. Next, bring the mixture to boil and then simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, add the dried fruit and chickpeas 5 minutes before the end of the cooking time. Stir through the coriander before serving.
Thanks for watching. This dish can be served with couscous and a side salad. I hope one day you can make this dish too.